Wow, this is dirty. You don't really see it till I get the light on. And let me apologize if you're hearing any noise. It's 90 something degrees out, so I'm not willing to turn the air conditioner off. And I have, really expensive studio here, aka my work desk. These are film I purchased from Temu. They're supposed to be 24 shot color rolls. And yeah, good thing I only purchased one of them. So this is part of that cheap film video I've been working on, and frankly I'm still working on because we're still waiting on actual films to arrive and for some development. And I had to return these, which credit to the Emu website. You take a photo and they give you credit immediately and don't even want it returned. As a result, I had a lot of credit sitting there, and we did this. You might recognize this. This went kind of viral on, the TikTok and stuff. I had no interest in getting it, but couldn't reorder the film. I already had other film on the way, so why not? They're blind box, so I'll open them with you guys before we take it out and give it a shot and see what we got. Oh, it is tiny. I got the red one. And red is my favorite color. We got here micro SD. Yep. Okay. Oh, let's see. We got a little viewfinder. Look at that. Oh, very cool. So this Charmera we'll take out probably tomorrow, where it's hopefully not going to be 90 degrees, and take some shots. I'll do a little review on it. I thought it'd be something fun to do while I wait for development and film to reach me from Timbuktu. What were my other? I'm happy with that. I think I would have liked this one. That's because that's the year I was born. But I'll live with this. All right, let's get out there. Somehow my desk pad is even more filthy than normal. But the good news is I'm hopefully moving locations where I film content like this soon. The little Charmera. And yeah, I even got the red like a certain other popular YouTube channel that reviews gear. What do I think? Well, I wouldn't buy this for photo quality, but I had a lot of fun. And for 30 bucks, I don't know if you could say no to fun. Plus, I didn't play with a lot of the stuff that's available on this. When you go in, there's different filters. Like the black and white, I think would be something fun to do. And if you notice, I spent all day shooting with this, and it only took 1 bar. So it definitely has a battery that's going to last the whole day for you if you charge it. I will say I didn't have a small enough micro SD. I had to go grab one. It only does 1 gigabit to 128. Ended up finding 128 trail cam micro SD at Tractor Supply for $9. Tossed it in here, and less than double digits for a memory card these days. I'll take it. It's sturdy. It feels plasticky, but not like it's going to fall apart. It even has a rangefinder. A lot of cameras don't have rangefinders these days. A lot of very expensive cameras couldn't find the space to have a rangefinder. Would I buy this again? I'm kind of playing with house money. I got some credit back and things like that for the Temu website. Yeah, for $30, I would buy it again. And I probably will buy it as a gift for people because it's fun. And it literally was like this in my hand all day. If I was just trying to document my day or like shopping with my wife, things she wants, a little snap of the price tag or whatever else like that. Yeah, I could use my phone. Yeah, my phone would take a lot better quality photos. In fact, here's one of the photos my wife took next to the almost same exact photo this took. And you can tell the difference. But look at the size of this. It weighs nothing. It's really discreet. You could probably take it into places you're not necessarily supposed to have a camera. I'm not suggesting you do that, but you could. I like it. I had fun. Good job, Kodak, whoever purchased your license to make this in China. Thumbs up.